Can TikTok really make you $11,000 from just 1 million views? That's the rumor floating around. I tested TikTok automation for 30 days to find out. Was it a gold mine or just a giant waste of time? Spoiler alert, the truth might make you laugh, cry, or both. Let's find out together. Picture this: faceless content, AI doing the heavy lifting, and you earning passive income while binge-watching your favorite Netflix series. Sounds too good to be true, right? That's what I wanted to figure out. I've already dabbled in faceless YouTube automation, but TikTok, a whole new beast. I set a challenge for myself. Create a faceless TikTok account, get accepted into the creativity program, and aim for at least $500 in profit by outsourcing everything. To make things interesting, I stuck to a niche that anyone scrolling late at night wouldn't resist: animals. Because seriously, who doesn't stop for a video of a dog wearing sunglasses or a cat being, well, a cat? Let me take you to day one. I'm sitting there with my coffee asking ChatGPT for ideas. It's like having a brainstorming buddy that doesn't steal your snacks. I picked the cute pet showcase niche because 1, everyone loves pets, and 2, they don't argue with you about royalties. My plan? Use AI to write scripts, generate voiceovers with 11 labs, and hire an editor on Fiverr to turn the scripts into scroll-stopping videos. Day one's video? A complete flop. A few hundred views. You'd think I posted a video of grass growing, but day 2? Boom. My second video, a short clip about funny cat moments, hit 700,000 views in 12 hours. Suddenly, I wasn't just a guy testing TikTok automation. I was the guy whose cats were going viral. Okay, technically not my cats, but you get the point. This is where things got spicy. My daily grind involved analyzing competitors, drawing inspiration from their most viral topics. For example, I saw a competitor post a top 3 dog breeds video that blew up. Naturally, I upped the ante with a top 3 cat breeds video because obviously cats, dogs. Sorry, dog lovers, but the internet has spoken. To make my videos pop, I experimented with hooks like, "Did you know this cat breed costs more than your rent? This fluffy ball of chaos can jump 10 feet high, here's why." The response? Phenomenal. My views skyrocketed, and I gained 10,000 followers in just 1 week. I was officially accepted into the creativity program. But let's be real, the TikTok algorithm isn't just a roller coaster. It's one that stops midair and leaves you hanging upside down. Some days my videos soared, other days they flopped harder than a belly flop in a swimming pool. If you think TikTok is all rainbows and viral videos, think again. Day 1 in the program, I earned a whopping $4. That's right, barely enough to buy a latte. Why? Because TikTok doesn't pay you for all views, only qualified views. Translation: if someone watches your video for 4 seconds and scrolls away, you earn absolutely nothing. I also learned that RPM, revenue per 1,000 qualified views, is highly niche dependent. Finance niches, $2 or more. Cute animals, a humbling 40 cents. Turns out, having a global audience isn't always great either. Shout out to my viewers in the Philippines. You guys are awesome, but your ad rates are killing me. Just when I thought I'd plateaued, one video changed everything. Remember my top 3 cat breeds idea? That video blew up so fast I almost called my editor to give him a raise. In a single day, I earned hundreds of dollars from that video alone. The secret? I jumped on a trend before my competitors and added a touch of humor. Here's a fun fact. The TikTok creativity program pays based on qualified views, which means the first few seconds of your video are make or break. I tested various hooks to keep viewers engaged, like asking quirky questions. What's fluffier than a cloud and costs $5,000? Can a dog really outrun a cheetah? Watch till the end to find out. By the end of the challenge, I had posted 34 videos, hit 21 million views, and grown my follower count to 64,000. Not bad for a faceless account, right? Now, let's talk numbers. I made $2,683 in profit, well above my $500 goal, but far below the TikTok guru claims of $1,000 per million views. Why? Simple math. My RPM was around 40 cents, so for every million qualified views, I earned about $400. That said, the return on investment was insane. I spent just $170 outsourcing everything, scripts, editing, voiceovers, and earned nearly 16x that amount. If that's not a win, I don't know what is. What did I learn? TikTok automation isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's a scalable way to earn passive income if you understand the game. Choose a niche wisely, follow trends, and keep your audience engaged. And hey, if you're in the finance niche, congrats. You're practically swimming in RPM gold. Are you thinking about starting your own TikTok automation journey? Let me tell you, it's an exciting path, but it's one that requires creativity, persistence, and a bit of strategic thinking. If you're ready to dive in, here's my advice to set yourself up for success. 1. Choose a niche that balances views and revenue. Your niche is the foundation of your content. It's tempting to jump into popular niches like animals or comedy because they attract tons of views. But remember, not all views are created equal. High RPM niches like finance, health, and technology may not rack up as many views, but they can bring in significantly higher earnings per view. 2. Keep your hooks engaging. The first few seconds of your video are make or break. If you don't capture your audience's attention right away, they'll scroll past faster than you can say algorithm. Experiment with bold, curiosity-driven hooks that make viewers want to stick around. Think of questions like, did you know this trick could save you $1,000 a year? What's the one thing millionaires never tell you about success? 3. Test, fail, and learn. It's part of the process. Not every video will be a hit, and that's okay. The TikTok algorithm is unpredictable, and even seasoned creators face flops. Use each failure as a learning opportunity. Analyze what worked, what didn't, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Consistency and adaptability are the keys to long-term success. And if you're sitting there thinking, but what if I don't know where to start? Don't worry, that's where my content comes in. I've been through the trial and error so you don't have to. If you're curious about how to create viral content or boost your RPM to maximize your earnings, you won't want to miss my next video. I'll be diving deep into the inner workings of the TikTok algorithm, sharing insider tips, and providing real-life examples that will take your automation journey to the next level. So here's what I need you to do right now. Hit that like button to show your support. It really helps me out. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and make sure to turn on notifications so you never miss a single upload. Drop a comment below to let me know your thoughts, ideas, or even the challenges you're facing. I'd love to hear your story and answer your questions in future videos. Thank you so much for watching and being part of this journey with me. Your support means everything, and I'm excited to keep sharing strategies, tips, and insights to help you succeed. And remember, success doesn't come to those who wait. It comes to those who take action. So what are you waiting for? Check out my next video and start your TikTok automation journey today. I'll see you there. If you've made it to this point in the video, it means you're serious about learning how to monetize TikTok or similar ventures. My final advice, don't be afraid to experiment and fail. Success on these platforms doesn't happen overnight. It comes from learning from your mistakes and constantly improving. Stay patient, focus on delivering value, and leverage tools like AI to save time and energy. If you're willing to keep going, you're already ahead of most people. Thanks for sticking around. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and insights in the future.